In a San Francisco federal courtroom, two of the most powerful men in tech are at war. One built the company that may define humanity's future. The other wants to tear it down. Or, at minimum, collect $150 billion trying. This is the trial of Silicon Valley. Elon Musk versus Sam Altman, and nothing will ever be the same. It started with a vision. Back in 2015, Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and a group of tech visionaries co-founded OpenAI. The deal was simple. They would build artificial general intelligence, but as a non-profit, for the benefit of all of humanity. No shareholders, no exit. Musk personally committed $100 million to the cause. He believed in Altman. He trusted the mission. That trust would prove to be a very expensive mistake. Then, quietly, OpenAI changed. Around 2019, the board converted a portion of the organization into a for-profit entity. The public explanation? They needed more money to compete with Google, Meta, and Microsoft. The real explanation, according to Musk? They needed to get rich. Fast forward to today. OpenAI has raised $122 billion. It's one of the most valuable private companies on Earth. And Elon Musk? He found out about the for-profit shift the same way you did, through a press release. But the story gets stranger. In November 2023, OpenAI's board did something nobody saw coming. They fired Sam Altman. No formal hearing, no lengthy review, just a 10 to 20-minute Google Meet call. Altman testified under oath that he was given almost no real explanation, just that the board had lost confidence in him. Within days, Microsoft threatened to hire OpenAI's entire staff if Altman wasn't reinstated. 5 days later, he was back. The board that fired him? Gone. Then came the testimony that shocked Silicon Valley. Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, one of the most measured men in tech, took the stand and called the entire 2023 firing incident, quote, amateur hour, under oath, in a federal courtroom. This wasn't a tweet. This wasn't a leaked Slack message. Microsoft's most senior executive sat in front of a judge and called the management of a company he'd invested $13 billion into amateur hour. Musk filed his lawsuit in early 2024. His claim? He was deceived. OpenAI was supposed to be a non-profit that published its research and never put profit above mission. Instead, it became a vehicle to enrich its founders at the expense of humanity. He's seeking $150 billion in damages. And publicly, he hasn't been subtle. On his own platform X, Musk has repeatedly called Altman, and I quote, #ScamAltman. The trial has delivered some genuinely surreal moments. A golden donkey trophy, reportedly given as an internal OpenAI joke award, somehow became formal trial evidence. Altman took the stand on May 13th and pushed back hard against every allegation, defending his leadership and his right to build OpenAI the way he saw fit. Meanwhile, Musk reportedly threatened public backlash against Altman personally. Deliberations have already begun. A verdict could come any day. Here's what nobody is saying out loud. Whoever wins this trial shapes the future of artificial intelligence. If Musk wins, it signals that AI companies can be held to their founding promises. If Altman wins, it means the most powerful AI lab in history can pivot from charity to empire, with no consequences. Either way, the rules of Silicon Valley are being rewritten right now in a courtroom in San Francisco. Subscribe to the Tech Exploit. We follow the money every time.